Guys, here we are with Hunter. You can't really see him in the lighting. And my dad. He made us this really awesome dark over there, and he made us this awesome fire. And we're just doing, we're just roasting Oreos. And we actually found this out. I bet you somebody else has done this before. But, roasting Oreos is good. Roasting Oreos is good. Yeah. And you can roast anything, basically. So, I'm just gonna, I don't know where to put the, it's cold right here, so I'm just gonna put the phone right there. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Can you film me more on the side? Yeah, so she's putting, Oreo, let me see the,
I know this is the Oreo.
This is chocolate, so this is a chocolate bar. And he's doing a chocolate bar. I'm gonna do that too. Make it my stick.
I got it through your stick in the fire and I got you to.
You did?
No.
Oh God!
No, I got.
Back up.
Going right toward me.
Okay, that's good. That's good. It's gonna roast off. Okay, try to eat it now. Look at that. Don't take it off. Eat it off the stick.
Ew.
You're not a country boy.
What?
Nothing.
That's really good.
That
That's really good.
Okay, can you hold it? No, my God. You're not holding it with that. That's sticky fingers, bro. You get the sticky. Okay, so I'm gonna be roasting
This is the
a
fire
chocolate
roast.
penny, and
Shout to them.
can't really see it.
Roast it with the wrapper on.
Yeah, it's right there. No,
the
no,
wrapper.
no. And I'm just gonna take the wrapper off. I just ate one without with the wrapper off. Just ate it to see how it was, and it was pretty good and everything, you know. I did.
On the fire?
No, not on the fire. Oh, can't really get it on this. Can I use your stick?
Why?
Because mine doesn't work.
Yeah, different one.
I've been trying my best.
Perfect stick right here.
Here,
Stick it on there.
put it into that.
Yeah, that's good.
Not.
There you go.
Oh, I just broke my stick in half.
No,
no,
Dad, look how big this. You holding it?
Yeah.
The other way.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay. No, I actually did not do that on purpose this time. Dad, can you? No. I need to get a bigger one.
No, here's a perfect
Oh
one.
wait, here's a perfect one.
I think that might. That's the one that I had. It's the same thing. I need to get one for when. Oh, I'm gonna roast a York patty.
I'll try that.
Where'd you get the candy from?
This jar.
Yeah, from mom's candy.
Oh, okay, I got it on. See what it looks like.
No, put it near the fire so that I can see what it looks like. I should come out with a fireproof camera.
Fireproof what?
Okay,
Camera. So
guys,
that
I'm
you
sticking
can
it in
cut
1,
out.
2, 3. Okay.
Is that chocolate?
Yeah.
Yo, that's good chocolate. No more of those. One apiece.
That's what I just did.
Yeah, now you just wasted it. That stuff is amazing.
Ready?
No more.
Ready? I think I can get it.
You better pick it up and eat it, dude. That was a
Nope,
present, dude,
got it.
for us.
Sorry.
Wait, can I eat a York patty?
Oh, guys, I'm eating it. It's gonna be gross.
No more of those
that
candies that
window.
you just ate.
Okay. Okay. Oh, gross. Is it good? That's sticking you. Oh, that's sticking you. Ah!
Oh, did you just eat a stick?
Ah!
I think he just ate a stick.
Lava! Oh, it's actually pretty good.
He ate a stick. He was just complaining. Now it's actually pretty good. And we have Oreos now. Ooh. Oreo. Let's roast the Oreos.
Wait, let me have that. Okay, so this is just like a vlog. If you guys can see, my fingers are so sticky.
Dude, you should name it Eating a Stick. Eat a stick. Oh no, I didn't think I was...
She's having difficult.
Is James still here?
Yeah.
Is he like your brother or something?
Nah, a really good friend of our family.
Oh.
I'm about to go in and play a game with you.
I can't get this on. The first time I got it on perfect.
I'm sorry, but
What?
dude, I just like I have stick in my mouth.
Spit it out, spit it out.
I'm trying.
I know, it's chill, I'm not
There was a stick in his mouth of the thing that he ate.
It was right down there. And I ate it from right there.
Oh,
Back,
Let me see where the other one
you
is.
guys need to back up.
back up.
Okay.
Oh God.
Back up. We're backing up, guys. Emergency.
I tried to get this Oreo on. I'm done. I am done.
He can't even get an
Roast
Oreo
this.
on. I can even feel the heat. Move up a little bit. Gangsters. Gangsters. There's like roasting some marshmallows. Gangsters.
Wait, can we eat those chocolates or no?
I can see my chocolate. Guys, if you can see
One
this,
in the wrappers,
my chocolate is right
you may eat one.
there.
That's it. That was like a gift. It was
Right
really
there.
good.
But I ate that. That was good.
Wait, you said that we could eat one too.
Hunter, you can see mine right there.
That's like the good stuff. You don't abuse it.
Don't use the good stuff or you lose it.
Just pour it out.
Hold on.
Like,
Can you just do that?
pour it out.
Wait. If I roasted this.
No,
Why?
it's not gonna work. Hunter.
Do it.
Okay, so Hunter, can you hold it?
Wait.
Hold it. No. After. Chocolatey goodness. Hunter.
Sponsored by your no. Wait, we already have a clamp.
Never mind. Okay, so I'm just gonna open this wrapper up, and this is Dad. These are the coins. The coins. This is a York patty. No York patties.
No, I don't. They're awesome.
Oh no.
Is that with the wrapper on?
Can't get it on.
Do you need help?
I think so. This cracks on me. I'm gonna be so mad. She cracked on me. Face it. Look at it.
What even was that? What even was that?
Fucking corn.
Oh, wait, I forgot my.
I'm done with this stick.
My stick is the kinger. Is the king of all sticks.
So stupid. It's gonna fall off.
Is that? You think that's good?
I'm gonna stick it in the fire and bring it back out.
No. David.
Whoa. My God, stop knocking over, you glass. Just eat it out.
That was really good.
Eh.
That was really
Okay,
good.
so guys, we're gonna we're gonna end it at 10 minutes.
How many minutes is it? 8. Oh, yeah, I do it. Why?
Let me just put it on my chest like that. I'm just gonna put it on my chest like that, right there. So I open a candy.
David, remember this. Try this.
All the way. Oh, all the way. Boom, 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 boom. All the way. Right? Candy.
Alright. Mother goes back.
Look at that beautiful fire.
Nope, it's not gonna work.
No.
Yeah, I'm not.
Look at all that. Look at all that. Like,
I for sticks. Are you kidding?
I already threw my stick in there.
You did?
Yeah. I got so mad at it.
I don't know if it.
He's done with it. Just keep going in. No.
it.
It's 5 degrees right now.
It is? How do you...
Delilah's with me. And we're outside just making a fire. We're